Yeah, welcome back to the Gold Coast. It's Dave here from Berrigans Road Nursery. We on the previous video we potted this Chinese Elm. We thought we'd show you this before we top dress it. This is the mix we used to repot this plant, and I'm sure we're going to get questions, so we'll take this opportunity. We'll show you exactly what's in this. We've got a breakdown here of what's in this mix. Get the I hope the camera can pick that up. We'll just hold this still for a okie doke. Yeah, so we've got all the ingredients here on hand. Yeah, so we'll start from the top. So we got growing media here. 3 scoops. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we did explain on another video. It doesn't really matter what size scoops you got, but it's just a ratio. So just give this a quick. The lumpy particles will just break that up. Yeah, so we've got 3 of those. Medium Akadama. It's a medium Akadama, medium grade. 1 of those. A small. This might vary. This is just what we used on the last plant. 1 Pumice. One Kiryu. One larger Akadama. This is called hard Akadama, but it's not as hard. So we call this hard, and we call the other one extra hard, because it is a lot harder. It does say hard on the bag, but yeah, this will the roots will get into that a little bit easier. But we did use the large harder, extra hard Akadama at the bottom of the pot. Yeah, so. Yeah, so that's the exact mix that we used on the Chinese Elm. So yeah, I thought we'd give you this quick video, and yeah, we're going to do a couple more videos now on azaleas, Satsuki azaleas, so we'll get ready for that. Thanks a lot. See you on the next video.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date for our next upload.